Hello guys, welcome in this video. In this part 1 we are going to create our first QR code from ourselves. We are going to generate our first QR code using Python, and it is extremely easy using a package named QR code. So the first thing we are going to do is to install this package by doing pip3 install QR code. So let's start by importing QR code. Okay, we import QR code. The first thing we are going to define is an image, because you know a QR code is stored in an image. So you can store it in an image, in a PDF, in an SVG. There are many possibilities, guys. So we will start by calling the method of QR code, that is make, and this method will allow us to create directly a QR code easily with a content inside. So for this, I'm going to specify my YouTube channel. I'll insert the link of my YouTube channel, youtube/youngdev, and I'll just make save. Okay, you call this method to save the image. Okay, I'll call it qr.png. So now I just need to run the file. Okay, just type part1.py, and you can see here we have a new image. Okay, let me open it. This is it, guys. We have our QR code here, and it's something very cool, nice. What I can actually do is use my phone to scan it and see what it showed to me. You can experiment by your side. You can do it by your side, and of course it will show exactly the information, so the link that I've insert in the QR code. So let me test this. So now I took my phone to test it. Okay, great, we have the links. So now that you know how to generate a QR code with Python, we can go far with this by doing a QR code that is very personalized to your colors, something like this. And to do this, we are going to comment this that we have done, and now I create a new variable, an object from QR code that will contain almost all configuration of QR code like we want. And something that you need to know is that we have almost 40 types of QR code, and the most popular ones are the first 7 from 1 to 7. So to create, now we are going to choose a version, and that is exactly what I'm saying to you. I'm going to use, you can use the first version of QR code, you can use the second one, you can use the third one. I'll use the third one, which is very pretty. And now we'll indicate error. Okay, we indicate error correction, like we have seen on the description of how a QR code works. So if you don't understand, you can go back on our I think it's the second video, and see how a QR code works, and what is the error correction, what is the box sizes, what are the borders, those theoretical concepts that we have learned so far. Now let's go, and I will specify the box size, and I can make it 10, I can make it 3. We can do something that is very beautiful. And now I'll specify the border, I can make it 5. When I've created this object, I go now for my data. I will use a method of QR name add data, and this method will allow me to add a specific data. So I can add my YouTube channel. You know, here the link of my YouTube channel. It can be a text, it can be a hello world, something like that. You can add everything that you want. And now I call a method called make, that we've seen later, and I'll make fit equals true to fit it inside. Now let's create our image by doing image equals to qr dot make image. Okay, here we have fill color black and black color. That is why I said we can go far with this by specifying colors. Fill color is the color on top, and back color is the color in background. So you can choose black or white, like this one is, that is the default colors that I use to create QR codes, but we can change them. make sure that you use colors that are simple and easy to read, because if you use something very dark, it will be difficult for phones and other algorithm to read your QR code. After I make it, I can just save. Okay, I can just save here in the file, in an image that I call QR code.png. Now I'll come back here and just modify the background color. I'll put something in blue. Okay, let me run this and we will see the result. Okay, here you have something like this. Okay, great, awesome. That's awesome. And if I scan it again, it will show me the same result. Okay, it will also work. I just zoom out and let me scan this again. Go back, and now, yeah, that's great. You can see that it works, and this is how simple is the way to create a QR code. It is very simple, guys, and you have seen that it's very simple. You can choose your color, change the color. In the next part, we create a branded QR code. So see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you like what I'm doing here. There are more content that I'm going to upload on this channel. So subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon and like the video, and I'll see you soon.